In this video, I'll show you how to edit text in Figma. Start by opening Figma and selecting the file where your text is located. Once your design is open, you'll see all your elements on the canvas. To edit text, simply click on the text layer you want to change. Then double-click on the text itself, or press Enter on your keyboard to start editing. Now you can type, delete, or replace the text with your own content. This allows you to quickly update titles, labels, or any text in your design. If you want to change how the text looks, go to the right-hand panel. In the text section, you can adjust the font style, size, weight, alignment, and spacing. You can also change the color of the text by going to the Fill section and selecting a new color. Once you're done editing, simply click outside the text box to apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully edited text in Figma. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.